Sorry.
Where we going, kids?
Listen, I did not do what I should have did.
What? Go.
Where we going, kids?
You getting some extra shoes too?
We're going to the zoo.
For her, like a total new everything.
You keep asking for it. I'm not trying to like, it's my day off. Let me tell you, you know, it's been a really rough week for me. I was actually in...
Alright, moving on.
No, I was in London.
Where we going, Chunk?
To Sue.
Mm-hmm.
And that's we're going to the music competition.
The music competition? Yes.
The people next day don't play. Lord, we thank you for this day. Thank you for waking us up this morning. Lord, be with us today as we go out and have a good time. Bless you. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen. Tigers and bears.
Oh no. Can you fix it?
What do you want me to fix? That baby was finna cause another Harambe situation. Harambe point 2.
I want to see it.
2.0.
Yeah, bear. Is it baby bear?
Kind of. He looks
being a good host.
It went in his cage.
Boy,
model babe.
hey, look at it. Next one.
That's
Hey,
the
right
one. That's the
That's the
one.
pose.
He said, moving on.
Man, God's really going to continue to bless you. Y'all never go in danger, man. Never in stink, man. Beautiful. They're thinking about how to get out.
They really are. They are looking at the net like,
Everybody look over there, and I'll be over here.
you want to pet it? Pet the side.
But probably that is a mom go to him like 2K. That's good.
He's cute.
Okay, now what you want to...
The Emoja Fest, right? Emoja?
Moja Festival
Emoja Festival.
in Portsmouth.
8.
Shea butter. She said $1.
Hey.
This one you use?
Yeah.
How much? 5.
Oh, that's good. That's good for that big. Yeah.
What's the difference between this one and this one?
Which one is oilier?
Oilier.
Dry skin.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I wasn't trying to buy one, but I'll get one too. I'll get one too. And we'll get some earrings.
They got so much food.
Ready for love, just one more
Rachel
Asked it today.
Breathe. Clouds coming, sir. Give me a breeze. I wanna breathe. So I can breathe. Yeah. Y'all got somebody to do the
my surprise, babe.
Well, shut it, yeah. Shut it, yeah. Whole time.
Planting.
No, then he starts, bro, give me the keys.
I need the keys, Rose.
That's actually some good writing. That's how it would be. For real.
I'm planting.
He was calling.
Noelle, you planting weeds at this point, boo boo.
Open, should be open.
Get in the car, Chunks.
You ain't gotta get in just yet.
Noelle, that doesn't need water.
There.
It don't.
My water's all gone.